Hello guys. The main story these days is of course Bakhmut. Almost every day we hear that it is surrounded, that the Russians will enter the city today or tomorrow, that the Ukrainians are retreating and so on, and all with the aim of creating the illusion of a great Russian victory. But in fact, Bakhmut is one of the biggest Russian defeats in this war, because the Russians with all their military machinery have not been able to conquer the town of 70,000 inhabitants for 7 months. When Putin's armada conquers it with huge losses, the strategic city means nothing, because the Ukrainians will simply retreat to the surrounding hills and rule the terrain with artillery again. Look here, I created this map weeks ago and you know what Russians have achieved ever since? Nothing, except grinding their troops in Vuhledar, Kreminna and Bakhmut down. The strategic Ukrainian defense is more than intact and even some Russians are starting to realize that it is over. This is the storming of Russian trenches by fighters of the 108th Separate Mountain Assault Battalion. Russians surrendered at the end. This is worth gold. We don't have the original audio, but we can see how the Ukrainians gradually overcome the resistance. It's strange that the Russians don't even try to make some kind of counter-attack against the relatively open Ukrainians. Maybe they don't have more ammunition? A short skirmish takes place here, and the Ukrainians end it with a grenade. Now the Russians are already calling for surrender. And here they come. Poorly equipped, demoralized and scared. The soldiers of the alleged Second World Power come out one by one and front the Ukrainian warriors.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.